Hilarious comparisons. Too heavy to ship to Clutch. Thank you very much.
We'll play it while you're here.
Oh, we got us a gator moon. All right, that's pretty light. Let's see.
Hey, that will go in your butt.
Even lighter, right? She's just a little too eager. All right. Let's see what we got. Oh no, that's heavy.
She's gonna worry about shipping it back.
It's not what's in it, it's just how.
Can I ship it back?
She can't take the gift cards.
Oh, but I can
There's no
spend them
load.
online.
Oh yeah.
And then,
She's been busy chucking things out.
okay, this is the lightest. I like how you base your choice.
Oh, that one's good.
You could take Jackie's back in your purse.
Here you go. I can't get rid of it.
Oh, this is ugly.
Oh, Nadine. That's a keeper.
All right, Jackie, we're talking now.
Here, Margaret.
Okay, hold it up.
Oh.
I want to see what else is here. I already know what they all have. Okay. I know what some of these other ones are, so.
But can you remember what they were packed in?
Oh, never mind.
Okay,
Movie
those
District
look like
9.
alcohol.
That's
That's a
in one
good
of them
chance
boxes.
Gus is going to get one of those.
Movie District 9.
Oh shit.
I'm going to take this one for shits and giggles.
It just said it just came out today.
No, they had an early release.
Nadine's
yet,
out
y'all.
of place.
Huh? Oh, Lord. Barack Obama!